You have a lot of information coming at you.
I got a woman in labor here. Contractions are blah. I need you to blah, 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 stat. What are you waiting for? BP is blah over blah, blah. Fetal heart are blah, 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 blah.
Could you repeat that a little slower?
I said blah, damn it. There's no time. We need to blah, 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 blah. Now.
I need you to give me a shot of blah, 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 or I'm gonna blah everyone in this hospital!
I'm gonna get you a heating pad.
Too late. This blah is on its way.
Great nursing doesn't come from reciting a textbook, so why are we expected to learn by memorizing them? That's why I got RekMed, the nursing workbook made to be understood, not just memorized. RekMed puts intention behind every page, turning ancient etchings and archaic acronyms into fun and interactive graphics that help you retain and really understand the human body. Look, you're gonna pay an arm and a leg for textbooks. So why not get a whole body of information that was created by someone with 15 years of experience in nursing and who knows how you learn, like Jen.
Hi!
She had undiagnosed dyslexia, which made nursing school
Next to impossible.
People even told her to quit, but she said,
Blum, I'm gonna be a nurse.
that's why she created a system that can help anyone become a better nurse, like 65% of people who are visual learners. And if you prefer videos, there's even RekPlay, a companion source with hundreds of video lessons and more being added all the time. It's like having a personal tutor in your home that can take you from blah, blah, blah to bedside. And RekMed has tons of cool stuff for the other nurses in your life, like planners and review books and all the other nurse life accessories that you may need. Whether you're studying for the NCLEX or brushing up on the complex, RekMed has you covered. So before interacting with patients, try interactive learning by visiting rekmed.org today.